Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day with me, Yohn. And today I want to make a vlog about a video. And actually, this video was taken a few several days ago, and I will share it to you. I will show it to you, and I will also explain it about it. What was happening in the video? So let's see. So did you see that video? I recorded from the balcony on rainy on, and the raining was very bad, very loud, and so very clear in this video. You can hear that, and I didn't stand at the edge of the balcony, and if I did, I'll get wet. So I stepped back about 10 meters and keep recording. At the balcony, I could see other houses. Even the view was simple, but it was very nice. Yeah, and at the moment, everything felt quiet. I couldn't hear anything else. The only I can hear is the sound of the rain. So this is the second video. So did you see that video? I was at the stations. I was waiting the trains about 30 minutes. I was standing and feel bothered. So that's why I started recording the view. I see and I remember it was rush hours. People were going to their work, and the station was quite crowded. And I'm not sure if the rain can affect for the train schedules, because the trains was coming late as it usually does.
Guys, that's exhausted. I'm about to show you inside this station.
So this is the third video. In my video, I was walking fast to catch the trains, and I was in a rush because the train was already arrived. We're waiting for the passenger to get onto the train. And the very funny is, I don't know why, but I start recording even though I was in the rush. I don't know why. And as I walk, I noticed something. Everyone was in a hurry was in a rush as well. People are moving quickly, all going somewhere, just like me. And then my fourth video, finally I arrived. As you can see in this video, I was already outside of the stations and ready to go, but the rain outside still went on, and the rain fall lightly, and I start to waiting. I start to waiting outside for a while, and I also see I also saw a vendor right in the front and sell the raincoat, and I wanna buy something. I wanna buy it because I didn't bring my umbrella as well. But I consider to wait until 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And at first, yeah. And after wait 10 minutes, the rains was not stop, but the rain still went on, so that's why I considered to buy the raincoat from the vendor in the France. And so that's the story. And okay guys, so that's all my storytelling for today. And actually I have four video that I delivered to you, and also in storytelling. And I realized I need to learn more about deliver some things the best, and I'm trying step by step. Even I realize some things, and I make it as feedback for me as well. So that's why I also embrace ask and embrace feedback for all of you guys from to make this to make my English more better. So see you from my next vlog. Thank you guys.